Using Prospects for repetitive emailing. Previously, I've set up in my sales folder a MS Word document, and that's in sales. Have a look. That's in sales distribution email. I've called it demo. There it is. And I've also created a data source file for it in MS Excel format, and there it is there, email list. If you want to know how to set all of that up for mail merge within MS Office, then complete ECDL training with INTREPs. In the meantime, let's have a look at repetitive emails with prospects. Going to our central base records, I previously imported a batch of new records using the data input facility, and each of those contains none in both their category and their priority fields. I want now to change those so that I can recognize them and work on them, and I'll do that by changing that none priority very quickly and easily for all of them in one go. How do we do that? So the facility in the category list for that, and I'm going to say, look, change all the nones into new. Going back to our central reference facility, you can see that's been done. That gives me some sort of flagging now, so it will enable me to do this mail merge quite quickly and easily. Into my data output links facility, and choose the address list by priority, and it's new, of course. Gives me the list straight away. Output that to MS Excel. Overwrite the previous default, and save that as, and go into our sales folder and into our distribution email folder, and use the email list and overwrite that. Good, all done with. Dispense with that straight away. Dispense with the report into MS Word. Now the mail merge document I created is the last one that most recently opened. There it is. And it wants to overwrite, and it's done. Okay, so I've got the list, I think, now. No problem at all. Good, and I can quite easily use the email button to send off those. Another tip here, back into prospects, just minimize that for a minute, and if we go back into the central resource, and we can filter that down to the news, and now I can get hold of all the email addresses quite quickly and easily to copy and paste into the address boxes of the emails that I'm going to send. So we'll just copy the first and nip back over to Word, hit that email button, and we can paste it. We'll obviously need to change the subject, content, etc. I'll just call it demonstration, and we can start sending, and we Alt and Tab back to prospects, down to the next one, copy, and we can go on infinite until we get to the end of the list. Okay, let's go back to Word. We finished with that facility now, and back into prospects, and I now want to change, just to remind you, all those news into tell me that I've emailed them, etc. So let's go into priority listings. There's a facility here, batch change them. Good. So all priorities what? So I wanted the new changed, yeah, to one I've already previously put in the list, which is emailed. Done. Back into the filtering facility, and now I'm flagged, and it shows me that I've emailed all of them. Filter that down, we get the list. Good. Exit that, and it's end of demonstration.